In today's video, I am going to teach you how to resize a calendar in Notion. If you've ever added a calendar to your Notion page and felt like it was taking up too much space, or maybe not enough, this is a quick and useful layout trick to know. Notion doesn't always make resizing obvious at first, but once you understand how columns work, it becomes very easy to control the width of your calendar and make your page look much cleaner. To begin, go to the area just below your calendar block. In that space, type /, then type 2 columns or 3 columns if you want more layout flexibility, and press Enter. This will create side-by-side blocks on the page. These columns are what allow you to change the width of content in Notion, including your calendar. If you only want a simple adjustment, 2 columns is usually enough. If you are building a more customized dashboard, 3 columns can give you more control. Next, move your attention to the calendar itself. Hover your mouse over the left side of the calendar block until you see the drag handle appear. This is the small dotted handle that lets you move blocks around the page. Click and hold that handle carefully. It's important to grab the calendar from the handle rather than clicking inside the calendar, so Notion knows you want to move the block itself. Now, drag the calendar into one of the new columns you just created. As you move it, watch for Notion's placement guide so you can tell exactly where the block will land. Once the calendar is inside the column, release your mouse. At this point, the calendar will automatically take on the width of that column. To fine-tune the size, hover your mouse over the vertical divider line between the columns. When your cursor changes, click and drag the divider left or right. Moving it one way will make the calendar narrower, and moving it the other way will make it wider. This gives you a simple visual way to adjust the layout until it feels right for your page. A good tip here is to make small adjustments and pause to see how the calendar looks after each change. That way, you can find a balanced size without making the page feel crowded.